Yo, Tigrix, outside Blizzard, 2010. You know I'm out here, me, the dog. We out here and shit. Why it had to snow all crazy after Christmas? You know, it just could have been a perfect white Christmas. But, you don't know. Anyway, um, the one Christmas song that scares the hell out of me is that fa la 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 la. That shit is scarier than a motherfucker. Sound like somebody about to die, right? Like you about to get stabbed with a sharp candy cane, right? It's crazy. Anyway, Blizzard is catching up. You know, look around. This is New York City. And I'm Tigrix in the Blizzard. Anyway, I'm out. Y'all have a good one. I'ma holler at y'all for the New Year's. You know how that go. I'm out. Tigrix.